Hello, my name is Peter Eckermann. I'm working in product marketing at MSC Technologies. Today I would like to introduce one new Q7 module and another one that is the predecessor of this module. Q7, this is the small form factor standard that is 70 by 70 millimeters in size, very versatile, very useful for small and compact applications and low power to medium performance systems. The new product is the MSC Q7-BW. BW is short for Braswell, and this is the latest Atom generation from Intel. The processors are N3700 down to N3000, and they are very high performance processors of the Atom class, and they are available as Pentium and as Celeron processors. The module comes with the processor soldered on the board and with the DRAM and with some more features that are all available on the small form factor module. In detail, we can have up to 8 gigabytes of DRAM soldered on the module, and there can also be two kinds of flash memory soldered on the module as well, and that is an option. First, there can be up to 64 gigabytes of SATA SSD flash, which is very useful, especially if you want to use an operating system that cannot be booted from eMMC flash. However, the product can alternatively, or even in addition to the previous SSD, also provide up to 64 gigabytes of eMMC flash memory. And this is very useful, especially for Linux and for the compact versions of Windows operating systems. In addition to that, the module also provides very high performance graphics. The graphics of the Braswell generation has improved notably compared to the previous Batesville generation, which I will discuss just after this, and is now offering improved graphics performance. Up to 4K of videos and images can be displayed, and this module can also drive up to 3 independent displays, which is very useful for signage applications or point of sales, point of information type of applications where many different screens have to be driven, and each screen should have different content. And this is possible with this new module. It can drive 3 different screens at the same time, and all screens can be up to 4K in resolution, 4 times full HD. Next to the graphics performance, we have a number of very useful interfaces available on the module. The module fulfills, of course, all the interface requirements of the Q7 standard 2.0. That means we have DisplayPort, HDMI, LVDS as graphics interfaces, we have a camera interface, and we have USB 3.0, of which we can have up to 2 interfaces, and we can have up to 7 USB 2.0, and optionally there can be either USB 3.0 device or USB 2.0 device. And device means that the module will not be the master on the USB bus, but it will be connected via USB to a PC, to a computer that is behaving like the master, so that this module has to be the slave, and that is what USB device is. There can be as well USB 3.0 device and optionally as well USB 2.0 device implemented on this module. Next to that, we have SATA interfaces. Actually, there are 2, but if the onboard SATA SSD is populated, then only one SATA interface is available on the bus interface going down to the carrier board. Next to SATA, there are Gigabit Ethernet, HD audio, LPC. There's a UART interface that has been added to the Q7 standard with Q7 2.0, and SPI, I2S, TPM, optionally TPM. All these things are very useful features for embedded applications, and this is where this module is really good at. Can be used for almost any type of application, either in medical, either in digital signage, point of sales, point of information, general automation, even battery-powered applications are very good for this module because the processor is built from Intel's new 14 nanometer technology, very power saving, and even at the highest speed of 2.4 gigahertz, the processor only takes up to 6 watts of TDP power consumption, and for the dual core versions that is even lower.